guard. Just protecting this area.
From a cat?
What? Because you two are scared of it.
I'm not.
Plus, he can jump over that.
Told ya.
He can jump over that. And these little gaps,
he
he
does.
can just tiptoe.
See?
Oh yeah, see?
You know
And
how
I know one thing.
he knows how to jump over it because he attended, he played in the Olympics. Hello, Ginger. Olympics. Meow whiskers. That's what I call him, meow whiskers. Butterfly. Our butterfly. Hey, it's our butterfly. What do we name that butterfly again?
Sweater.
I'm naming him Jasmine. Oh yeah, Jasmine.
Oh yeah.
Hello, little ginger cat.
Calm down.
Who did this? It's just a cat. It's just a cat. It's just a little cat. It's just. It's looking at.
Are you making a video of this?
Yeah.
Okay. The world will see that you are a fan of cats. Actually, that is popular.
She's a cat
The world
lover.
loves cats.
I'm a cat lover.
Everyone loves cats.
And we should do the vegetable phobia.
I don't think that
He doesn't like us. I think I felt him on my leg. Who cares? We're gonna kill that cat straight away. Yeah, you ran away.
When you saw that,
I didn't saw
you just got chased by a cat.
Now he said it. And like.
Away and like,
I was He was like. I can't stop laughing.
I think that's the end of the video.
No way.
We'll stop the video.
That's like a funny video. This is like the funniest video ever.
I don't think it's the funniest video. Come on.
Come on.
The funniest video.
This is a cat hunt, everybody. We're going for a hunt.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, you better run to your window.
He ran into his window.
Yeah.
That's the end of the video. That's the end of the video. Come on.
I saw Ginger was like coming close and taking out his claws
I
though.
saw him jumping towards me. It was like, it was like, I was like, that's Thursday. I'll kill you.
This is fun.
Boring
now, what
End
we
the video. End the video. End the video.
Why you can't stand it?
The cat already left. So end the video. That's it.
Yeah, but this is not a cat video. This is a funny video. Wait. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna take a knife. Pulling them to death, you can't kill the cat.
We can't kill cats.
Be a cat lover.
Because I'm a cat
No, I'm
lover.
not a cat lover.
Look what he's doing with the dirty broom. He's doing something with the dirty broom.
Just put it on your face back. Put it back on your face. Sorry if I hurt you.
Oh.
I'm not accidentally hurt you. Are you okay? Sorry. Very sorry.
That's fine because that was funny.
Yup. Funny enough. Like suddenly, like they're watching this, and then your beautiful face suddenly got smacked by a broom. That's
You know
funny enough.
Sham is not at home right now?
Yeah, he's musician.
Yeah, he got PSLE.
Oh, PS Elite, but he is probably 6.
Wait, if you're P4, you shouldn't be.
Keep quiet and color my face.
Oh, with a banana.
Here, I have two free cell phones. Use the Tommy on the same phone here.
That one.
Here.
Thanks. Look at this. I'm calling.
Use the Tommy
Oh,
on the
everybody.
same phone.
Hello. Hello.
Don't be ignored.
Hello. Hello. Is anybody there? Is anybody there?
The weirdest comb I've ever seen.
I
A
know.
comb of bananas.
Comb of bananas.
See, a comb of bananas.
Oh. That was like a pool. That,
For joke test. You got an F for joke test. Go to left.
my turn. I can make you say how, Johari.
Don't do that.
I caught him already.
I know. What? I'll be right back. I'm gonna peel this banana off. You know.
Jellies.
Dictionary.
Yeah, from Ricky, Dicky, and
Oh yeah.
Ricky, Dicky, Nicky, and all. Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and all. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in a dictionary. You should look up. Look it up. The dictionary. Dictionary.
I'm just eating
These
my
are
banana.
Oh my god, his name has an inappropriate name.
A lot of people have that name. What?
Not a lot of girls have the name Dawn.
Dun dun dun.
Are you filming yourself eating banana?
Yeah.
Hello. Why is there oil on your iPhone? Samsung. Maybe those are banana marks. The banana strikes again. One man.
Ricky?
One banana.
One there! Is it Ricky? I'm gonna do that. I got it.
This is very
Ricky, Dicky, Nicky, and Dawn.
Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and Don.
I forgot how the way they say it. I forgot the. What do you call it?
Don.
Banana. Oh, my banana got hit by a broom. No, Jack. He got hit by a broom.
And you hit my phone.
Sorry.
I'm filming myself eating banana. I'm a banana lover, but not really. Actually, I love corn more than banana. Look at that guy. He's a brew man.
Banana.
Uh-huh. The flower.
Banana. Hey! Hey! You guys need to be on YouTube! You're on YouTube! YouTube!
You just saw her.
Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
The popping candy! Try out the popping candy. You should try it someday.
What do you think I'm doing? Shaking my booty?
There's banana on your head.
I know. Just slam one to me.
Yeah. You need
Wait,
to
I have to throw this away.
Yeah, go throw it away.
I hate them. I don't really like bananas, so.
You should try it.
Why you need to throw it away?
Everyone! Banana.
Banana.
Ba 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 banana. Ba 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 banana.
Banana.
Ba 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 banana. Potato na. They barely saw my face.
Huh?
They didn't see my face. I know, don't play your iPad. Now time for Undertale again.
No, it's not Undertale.
From that other video.
Can I help me?
Don't speak about it.
Huh?
You need me to throw your banana?
Yeah.
How about
mother-
you throw it?
No, because my mother's praying. There's something here.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, I don't like that. Poop
No.
of the eye.
No, it's white, you know.
Me is going to place some injustice. Go to Mingus.
But we're not. We have to make a video before that. We have to make a video before that.
Why you not use that scissors?
It doesn't. Look at his back. Look at his back. It says Punchak, right? Yeah. It says pancake. No, it says Sendeng.
Puncak sending. That's a silat.
Oh.
Martial arts. Silat. Martial arts.
Okay, what do you call a dog that caught on fire?
Hot dog.
Okay, guys.
Hot dog. Not even coming out. He's not coming out. Oh, that sound. Okay. Oh, I got. You swallowed some.
How?
You okay?
Of course I am. Why would I?
And it exploded in your throat. It's in the dictionary. You should read it up. You should look it
It's
up.
in the Dictionary.
It's called a dictionary.
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 Never mind. You okay eating?
Delicious.
Okay,
Delicious.
guys.
You want one? You want one? You want one? You want one? You want one?
Let's do a challenge. The popping candy challenge.
I already started it.
No. Take 2 more. And
By
then
the way, now best friends, we will not do the shocking challenge.
yeah, we're
I freaking gave out the shocking taser.